All right, let's go inside, guys. Come on. River, inside, right now. Go. Do you want to go for a picnic? Go take the little dinghy for a ride to go for a picnic? Yeah? Okay, all right. Okay, he's ready to go. I packed a nice lunch, and we're gonna go explore a creek that basically we're at high water right now. It's not flood water, I wouldn't think. Look at it's about a foot and a half higher than it normally is, but flood water is all the way up into those trees right there. Last time it flooded, my whole boat was in there. Well, Cricket's got the fan going and all the windows open except for the front windows because she will claw through a screen to get on the land, so I close those. And it's 75 degrees, but it's going to get to be 83, so we'll be back in a couple hours before it gets hot. And we are going to go somewhere for a picnic. Very beautiful spot that I found the other day.
Pack yourself a toothbrush, dear. Pack yourself a favorite blouse. Take a withdrawal slip. Take all of your savings out. 'Cause if we don't leave this town, we might never make it out. I was not born to drown. Baby, come on. Forget what Father Brennan said. We were not born in sin. Leave a note on your bed. Let your mother know you're safe. And by the time she wakes, we'll have driven through the state. We'll have driven through the night. Come on.
I've kept my houseboat there for a few months actually. A lot longer than in normal spots because no one comes back here. And it was winter. No one goes on the river at all in winter, so. So I've gone all the way down that creek and I've gone all the way down this creek. And then this one coming up is where we're gonna go. If we can get through right now. The floodwaters dropped down about a foot last night. I think I'm gonna go right through there. You know, if the water dropped down just a little bit more, that would turn into land a little bit, and that would be a cool spot to put the houseboat on. Oh, we just touched bottom with the motor. So I'm gonna pull the motor up real quick. All right. So with the motor up, you can't go fast. If you go fast, it just tips the front of the boat up and puts the motor right back down in the water, which basically makes it deeper than it was originally. So Your best bet is just to go relaxingly slow. You scare me when you do that shit, River. It's just a turtle underwater and he flips out. And it's like an alligator snapping turtle. There's a log right there. That'd be a day ender, right? Okay, so there's a little patch of land right up here, so I'm gonna let River off. I might even get off and explore. We'll see. If there's too many bugs, I'll stay on the boat. I'm just gonna pull up here and kind of coast in and stand up and just see if there's anything too dangerous on this island for him. No. I don't think anything would want to be on here. River, chill, relax. Yeah, I don't see anything. See a couple of butterflies, but that's all. Alright, go. My guess is he's gonna lay down in the water. And I'm gonna eat my peanut butter and jelly sandwich while we're here. Yeah, he needs to just go swimming. Perfect. Perfect. Now he'll be nice and cool for a good hour. Trudge over this way, buddy. Yeah, we're gonna eat lunch.
Say we'll get famous and we'll die with our names in every paper, every news reporters, any consolation to to the people that you love and all the people that you hate, but who love you all the same because you're beautiful. Say you didn't see it, that I saw right through you.
It's at least a foot around. They're pretty slow, lethargic animals except for closing their mouths. They'll shut their mouth really, really fast. The rest of their day is pretty lethargic. Just do. Now after finishing up exploring on Eagle Creek here, I actually went out in the floodwaters here and found a couple of really nice spots. Right here I marked, and then in this little bay to move the houseboat to. And then I drove 13 miles down, having stopped to put the air conditioner on for Cricket, and then stopped and got some food from the marina, and then went down to Ronan Creek, and that was a 13-mile trip. Now, the reason I did this is because I'm trying to explore every one of these waterways, and this is one I have not been in, but I saw on the map. Look at what I found when I got up this creek, how clear and beautiful this is. Now, this is for next episode, but take a look. As you can see, the water is perfectly clear. This is a beautiful creek. Now you would think that just going up those two creeks was enough for me today, but I ran into my friends who were out on their tri-haul. Jamie, Jennifer, Jack, Trish, and Bebo, and we went up to Duck River all the way in like 2 seconds, 50 miles an hour. Then Jack ran out of gas, and I had to go get him some in my dinghy. Look how nice that boat is, but it doesn't matter because there's no gas in it. We brought them some gas. Now they're back. They're back on the road. Let's see if they make it to the marina with my 1 gallon of gas we gave them. Nope, but they made it really close, so I just towed them in after that. Now, when it's a short tow, I don't even tie up lines in the back of my dinghy. I just use my tow rope from normally when I'm sailing and have the dinghy tied up, and I just do it in reverse. You like that little shelf, don't you? You gonna swat me? Oh no. Oh, she's tough. It was a really good day. We started out going to Eagle Creek, and then we went all the way down past Crooked Creek to Ronan Creek. And I explored both of them all the way up as far as I can go, where I had to get out of my boat and walk, and they were both beautiful creeks. Clear blue water where you can see all the way down to the bottom, and it just makes you want to get out and swim. It's it was 85 degrees today. It was a beautiful day to do. Now we're just sitting here as night takes over day. Daytime doesn't give up very easily at all. It lingers along into the night. I always kick the generator a couple of times before I reach my hand in by the string to start it in case there's something in there. Oh, I ran out of gas. Alright, gotta get some gas. It's a dragonfly, River. It's on the other side of the screen. You can't get it.